Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panitra. In this video, we are going to discuss. Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to the live session. Those who are intermediate first year, come to the live session and you can utilize. Those who are watching second year students, please share this link to your junior students, juniors. Every like is important. Please like and share to needed students about the differentiation. Now I am going to discuss about parametric differentiation. Parametric differentiation is one of the methods of the differentiation. It will play very important role in the differentiation. In the public examination, we may expect either 2 marks question or 4 marks question or 7 marks question. Nowadays, we can expect in that Board of Intermediate Education either Telangana or Andhra. So parametric differentiation అంటే ఏంటి, ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలి, ఆ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ రోల్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అనే టాపిక్లో. సో both the media I will explain clearly. So first listen carefully. Parametric differentiation means the variables x and y variables are there. X variable in terms of t, the function. Y is also a variable in terms of t function. One is f of t, another one is g of t. T is a parameter. Parameter is a constant. So the x value in terms of f of t, y value in terms of g of t. X, y variables రెండు కూడా t లో ప్రమేయాలు, functions. So x in terms of t, y in terms of t is there. Differentiate with respect to t. Both the functions in terms of t is there, no? You can differentiate with respect to t. Even here also, differentiate with respect to t. So x differentiate with respect to t, dx by dt. Are you getting all of you? X function ni t తో differentiate చేస్తే dx by dt అవుతుంది. So f of t, derivative of differentiate with respect to t for the function f of t, it becomes f dash of t. What about this one? Differentiate with respect to t for the function y, it will becomes dy by dt, which is equal to g of t will becomes g dash of t. So y and x variables ni t తో differentiate చేస్తే, t దృష్ట్యా differentiate చేస్తే dx by dt equal to f dash of t, dy by dt g dash of t values వస్తాయి. After getting up these results, derivative means we want dy by dx, I want. But dy by dx by dt, dy by dt is there means dy by dx we can write it as both numerator and denominator dividing by dt. So dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. Am I right? Which is equal to, what is dy by dt value? G dash of t by f dash of t. So this process is called parametric differentiation. This process is called parametric differentiation. I will give example also, dear students. Those who are watching first time, first year students, I will explain in this session 2 marks, 4 marks, if possibility is there 7 marks, otherwise in the next session also I will explain. So first 2 marks question, example. So very important example. 2 marks question. If x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. Find dy by dx. The question they will ask like this. మనకు 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ లో అడిగేదానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి స్టూడెంట్స్. x ఈక్వల్ టు 80 స్క్వేర్, y ఈక్వల్ టు 280 అయితే dy by dx వాల్యూ కనుక్కోండి. సో ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ప్రొసీజర్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నామో, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ప్రొసీజర్ వీఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్ హియర్, యూ కెన్ అప్లై. సో ఫస్ట్ x is equal to 80 square, x is equal to f of t. So differentiate with respect to t. dwrt means differentiate with respect to t. X with respect to t, dx by dt. So a into t square, a constant we can take outside. So d by dt of t square, d by dx of x square is what? 2x. d by dt of t square, 2t. Are you getting all of you? So dx by dt value you are getting as a into 2t, that is 280. Similarly, y is equal to 280, it is there. So differentiate with respect to t, dwrt. So y derivative with respect to t, dy by dt is equal to 2a constant, we can take out d by dt of t 1, d by dx of x 1. So dy by dt is equal to 2a. For this 1 mark, dear students, out of 2. But I want dy by dx now. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, right formula, dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. Whatever I explained the procedure, I am following. That is equal to dy by dt value 2a whole divided by dx by dt value 2at. So 2a get cancelled, 1 by t. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by t. This is the only answer. For calculating dx by dt, dy by dt, 1 mark. For writing dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt and substituting these values, simplifying and getting the answer, 1 mark. This is the way you can do, dear students. Okay, I will move to the another example. I hope you are able to understand that. Still any doubts are there? After the live session, you can ask me the doubts, otherwise comment box, you can write in the comment box whatever the doubts are there. You have only 7 marks we చూడకుంటే పాస్, చదవకుంటే ఖచ్చితంగా చదవాలి డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. 7 మార్క్స్ చదవ, 7 మార్క్స్ కూడా కవర్ చేస్తాను ఇక్కడ. 7 మార్క్స్ కూడా 7 మార్క్స్ చదువుకుంటే పాస్ అవుతాం, ఓన్లీ 7 మార్క్స్. కానీ ఒక్కొక్కసారి పేపర్ సెట్టర్ డిఫరెంట్ వేలో ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయలేం. అందుకోసం 7 మార్క్స్తో పాటు మీకు పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామ్ అయిపోయేంత వరకు, టిల్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఐ విల్ కమ్ ఆన్ ద లైన్ ఆన్లైన్. డోంట్ వరీ డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, యూ కెన్ షేర్ దిస్ వీడియో టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ రిలేటివ్స్. ఎవ్రీ డే, either first year or second year, I will come to the live. After completing of the live session, you can write in the comment box whatever the topics are required. మీకు ఏ టాపిక్స్ కావాలో ఆ టాపిక్ సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్ కానీ, పేజ్ నెంబర్ కానీ, మీరు తెలుగు అకాడమీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో పేజ్ నెంబర్, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ మాకు సెక్షన్ ప్రకారం రాస్తే నా ఫ్రీ టైంలో నేను మీకు లైవ్ ఇచ్చేదానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మనము ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద రబ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇదే ప్రొసీజర్ విల్ ఫాలోయింగ్. 2-3 examples as well as exercise problem also in this session we are going to discuss. Number of times they asked in the public exam this question. If x is equal to a cos cube t, this is a very important question. Y is equal to a sin cube t. Find dy by dx. First question. In the very next question, if y equal to e power t cos t, e power t plus cos t, and x is equal to log t plus sin t, find dy by dx. Both the questions are 2 marks. And this question they asked number of times, repeatedly they asked. Yeah, how to find out this differential equation? This is very important. First, given x is equal to a cos cube t, differentiate with respect to t. X derivative with respect to t, dx by dt. Okay, a constant we can take outside. Cos cube t, cos t derivative we know that. Cos t derivative మనకు తెలుసు, బట్ cos cube t derivative తెలియదు. Cos cube t ని cos t whole power 3 గా రాసుకోవాలి. అంటే f of x whole power n. డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ f of x whole power n ఏంటి? n into f of x whole power n minus 1. మళ్ళా f of x కి డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి. సో cos power 3t అంటే దీని డెరివేటివ్ ఏమవుతుంది? డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ cos power 3t ఈజ్ 3 into cos power 3 minus 1 2 t. Again cos t we have to differentiate. d by dt of cos t minus sin t. చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి స్టూడెంట్స్. సో దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే minus 3a cos square t into sin t. This is the value of dx by dt. ఇలాగే dy by dt కూడా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. చూడండి, y ఈక్వల్ టు a sin cube t. సో డిఫరెన్షియేట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు t. y derivative with respect to t, dy by dt is equal to a into f of x whole power n. n into n అంటే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 3 into f of x means sin power 3 minus 1 2 t. Again sin t you have to differentiate. d by dt of sin t cos t. ఇక్కడ sin t మీకు అర్థం కావడం కోసమే అక్కడ. సో దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే dy by dt is equal to 3a sin square t into cos t. సో dy by dt అయిపోయింది, dx by dt అయిపోయింది. సో నౌ dy by dx ఈక్వల్ టు ఫార్ములా dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt means this one, 3a sin square t into cos t by 3a cos square t minus sin t. So 3a get cancelled, one of the cos t cancel, one of the sin t cancel, minus is there, minus sin t by cos t. Sin by cos tan, so minus tan t. Therefore conclusion step, dy by dx equal to minus tan t. So చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇది 2 మార్క్స్ కి. జాగ్రత్తగా, ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇన్ ద కామెంట్ బాక్స్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ యూటిలైజ్. We'll go to the another question here. In this, first y equal to is given e power t plus cos t. So y in terms of t, y అనేది t లో ప్రమేయంగా ఉంది. సో డిఫరెన్షియేట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు t. ఇది ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ టీటాలో ఉంటే ఎలా చేయాలి? డిఫరెన్షియేట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు టీటా అనాలి అంతే, విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు t. సో dy by dt is equal to d by dt of e power t d by dt of cos t minus sin t d by dx of cos x minus sin x. So d by dx of e power x but x plus లో t ఉంది కాబట్టి d by dt of e power t is e power t, d by dt of cos t is minus sin t. అర్థమైందా? అలాగే dx by dt క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేద్దాం స్టూడెంట్స్. సో x is equal to log t plus sin t. So differentiate with respect to t. X derivative with respect to t, dx by dt. What is d by dt of log t? 1 by t plus d by dt of sin t cos t d by dx of sin x cos x. ఇలాగే రాయాలి. దీని వరకు 1 మార్క్. For getting dy by dt, dx by dt 1 mark. Now formula dy by dx is equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. That is equal to dy by dt. What we got it here? E power t minus sin t whole divided by dx by dt value 1 by t plus cos t. You can simplify now. E power t minus sin t. Take LCM in the denominator. T is the LCM. 1 plus t cos t. So denominator of denominator numerator. We can write it as t times of e power t minus sin t divided by 1 plus t cos t. ఈ విధంగా మనం ఆన్సర్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. So therefore dy by dx is equal to t into e power t minus sin t by 1 plus t cos t. I will move to another set of questions. అర్థమైనా అనుకుంటా. I will move to another one. I will explain very slowly. Don't worry about subject. Especially I am concentrating on this 1B and 2B. 2B for second year and 1B for first year. Most of the students, they feel difficult in this section, in this area. That's why I am concentrating. So first, next one 4 marks question choose చేసుకుందాం. This is an example problem important for 4 marks. If x is equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2 and y equal to a sin t find dy by dx. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా 2-3 సార్లు ఎగ్జామ్లో అడిగాడు డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్కి అడిగాడు. మనం నిదానంగా 4 మార్క్స్ కవర్ చేస్తాను, అలాగే 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా కవర్ చేస్తాను మీకు. Those who are watching first year students, you can share to your friends and like this video. It reaches more students. I hope you understand why I am saying like this. Only 7 marks. Exercise 7/2. Exercise 7.2 or 7/2? Yeah, we'll do it first. Only dx by dt it will take time, dy by dt is very easy only, no? So first, given x is equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2. So x in terms of t is there. So we have to differentiate with respect to t. x అనేది t లో ప్రమేయం కాబట్టి x ని t దృష్ట్యా డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలి. సో డిఫరెన్షియేట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు t. సో x differentiate with respect to t means dx by dt. Okay? a into, keep bracket. What is d by dt of cos t? Minus sin t. d by dt of sin t minus cos t. Sorry, d by dt of cos t minus sin t. Plus d by dt of log x, 1 by x. So d by dt of log 1 by log tan t by 2, 1 by tan t by 2. Again tan t by 2 also we have to differentiate. d by dx of tan x is what? Secant square x. d by dt of tan t by 2 is secant square t by 2. Again t by 2 also differentiate. t by 2 differentiate with respect to t. So 1 by 2 we can take outside. d by dt of t is 1. Once again I repeat. d by dt of log tan t by 2. 1 by tan t by 2. Again tan t by 2 have to differentiate. d by dx of tan x secant square x. So d by dt of tan t by 2 secant square t by 2. Again t by 2 have to differentiate. 1 by 2. Okay. Now simplification. a into minus sin t plus 1 by tan t. So 1 by sin t by 2 by cos t by 2. So by cos t by 2 into secant square t by 2 means 1 by cos square t by 2. So 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. So one of the cos t by 2 get cancelled. 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Sin t, half angle formula. 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Sin a. So 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. So a into minus sin t plus 1 by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 is sin t. So now take LCM and simplify. Sin t is the LCM. Sin t into minus sin t. Minus sin square t. Plus 1. 1 minus sin square t means cos square t only. So a into cos square t by sin t. This is the value of dx by dt. Okay, dear students. Slowly you can calculate. Don't neglect. Slowly, step by step, term by term, you have to differentiate. Next, we have y is equal to a sin t. Now differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Y derivative with respect to t. dy by dt. So a constant we can take outside. d by dt of sin t. d by dx of sin x cos x. d by dt of sin t cos t. So after getting of these two values, Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. Are you getting all of you, dear students? So dy by dt we got it here. So a cos t divided by dx by dt value here it will be. So a cos square t whole divided by sin t. Cos t, cos t. A get cancelled. Denominator of a denominator, numerator. So sin t divided by cos t. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to sin t by cos t, tan t. So this is the way we can get the answer, dear students. Okay. Now wait a minute. Hello. This is the way we can do, dear students. Any doubts are there? After completing of the session, you write the comment box. I will help you by saying that. But this question they asked one time for 4 marks. I am choosing where that parametric differentiation questions are coming, there only I am explaining. Even this question also they asked, even these questions will help in the tangent and normals, dear students. Tangent and normals, these questions will help. Parametric differentiation concept will help in the tangent and normals. This concept is very, very, very important. Without these, we cannot. So the next question is, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. If x is equal to a into cos t plus t sin t and y equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Important for 4 marks. Seven marks in tomorrow's session we will discuss. In this session, this question and one more question also I will explain. That is 2 marks and 4 marks today we will cover. And tomorrow, 3 to 4 questions which are very LAQs I will cover in that session. Parametric differentiation only. One example to exercise problems. So first I am taking x is equal to, now x is equal to a into cos t plus t sin t. So differentiate with respect to t. So x differentiate with respect to t means dx by dt. So a constant we can take out. D by dt of cos t, what is d by dx of cos x? Minus sin x. D by dt of cos t minus sin t plus, here uv formula you can apply. D by dx of u into v, u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. So t into d by dt of sin t. d by dt of sin t is cos t plus v into, v means sin t, d by dt of t is 1. Once again I will repeat. This is u, this is v. d by dt, u into t into d by dt of sin t is cos t plus sin t into d by dt of t is 1. So 1 into sin t is sin t only, no. Minus sin t plus sin t get cancelled. dx by dt is equal to a into t cos t. The similar way, y is equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. So differentiate with respect to t. Y derivative is dy by dt, a into, what is d by dt of sin t? Cos t. d by dt of sin t, cos t. Whenever minus and product of two terms is there, minus again keep bracket. This is u, this is v. Whatever the procedure we followed here, that only you can do it. ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ప్రొసీజర్ ఫాలో అయ్యో అక్కడే ఫాలో కావాలి. ఇది u, ఇది v. So u into d by dt of cos t, d by dt of cos t minus sin t. So minus sin t plus v into అంటే cos t into d by dt of t 1. మళ్ళీ ఒక్కసారి uv, u into, that means t into d by dt of cos t minus sin t plus v into cos t into d by dt of t is 1. సో ఒక్కసారి మనం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే a into cos t minus into minus plus t sin t minus cos t. So plus cos t minus cos t cancel. So therefore dy by dt is equal to a into t sin t. ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత, after getting up these results, we know that how to write. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt value at sin t whole divided by at cos t. So at sin t and at cos t. So at get cancelled. Sin t by cos t tan t. Therefore the value of dy by dx is equal to tan t. Okay dear students, this is the way they will ask a 4 marks question. One more 4 marks question I will explain. Tomorrow we will discuss 7 marks question. Yes, I am going to rub these x values and y values. Find dy by dx. X is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t. So little twisty question. Y is equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. Okay. Then find dy by dx. సో ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా చేయాలి? x is equal to ఫస్ట్ వాడు ఇచ్చినటువంటిది x is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t. Differentiate with respect to t. X derivative with respect to t, dx by dt. 3 into d by dt of cos t minus sin t, okay, minus 2 into, in the previous questions, f of x whole power n formula you can apply, dear students. So cos power 3t, how to differentiate? 3 into cos power 3 minus 1, cos square t. Again cos t you have to differentiate, d by dt of cos t minus sin t. So which is equal to, from these two, minus into minus is plus anyway, 3 sin t I am going to take common. 3 sin t if we take out common, 3 sin t, minus into minus is plus, so remaining is 2 cos square t, here minus 1. Are you getting, all of you? 3 sin t, minus into minus plus only, 3 sin t I am taking common, minus into minus plus, 2 cos square t I wrote here, 3 sin t if we take out common, minus 1 will be here. 2 cos square t minus 1 is equal to cos 2t, this value, 3 into sin t into cos 2t. Cos 2t in terms of cos formula, dear students. So dx by dt value, we got it, completed, dx by dt value. Similarly, ఇదే విధంగా y వాల్యూ కూడా కనుక్కుందాం. y is equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. So differentiate with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to, so 3 into d by dt of sin t cos t minus 2 into sin cube t derivative, f of x whole power n, n into, so 3 into sin power 3 minus 1, 2 t, again sin t derivative, cos t. So once again, 2 constant, f of x whole power n formula, n into, that means 3 into sin power 3 minus 1 t, that means sin square t, again sin t derivative, cos t. From these two we can take common 3 cos t. So 3 cos t if we take out common, 1 will be here, 2 sin square t will be there, 2 sin square t. 1 minus 2 sin square t is the formula for cos 2t in terms of cos, in terms of sin. So 3 cos t into cos 2t. So this is the value of dy by dt. So after getting of dy by dt and dx by dt, we know that how to find out dy by dx. So therefore dy by dx equal to, so for writing this also 1 mark, dy by dt by dx by dt. So substitute the respective values. dy by dt, this one, 3 cos t into cos 2t whole divided by 3 sin t into cos 2t. So here cos 2t get cancelled, 3 also get cancelled, cos t by sin t, that is equal to cot t. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to cot t. I hope you are able to understand it, students. So this is about a 4 marks question. Thank you all for your support. Maths with Panindra. You can share to your friends also if you really like these videos. Any doubts are there, you can write in the comment box. You mention. Yeah, yes, this is the last question. In tomorrow's class also, from evening 7 to 9, in between 7 to 9, any free time, I will tell 7 marks question regarding only parametric differentiation. Dear students, you remember parametric differentiation. I am going to explain 7 marks questions, 2 exercise questions and 1 example question that I am going to discuss. That is related to second derivative also there in the example, that also I will discuss. Thank you all for your support. Maths with Panindra. Jai Hind.